Welcome to my creation station. My name is Marla, and these are a few of my favorite things. Today is the 5 under $5 DIY challenge hosted by Missy from Crafty Cove DIY, Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Emily from Farm Charm Chic. You can find a link to their channels in the description box below. I hope you'll check them out. DIY number 1 is a personalized treat bag. I'll be using these treat bags from Dollar Tree. They come in sets of 2, and I chose the one with the tree on it. I'm going to be using my Silhouette or my Cricut Joy, I can't remember which I used, to cut out my children's names, and I'm going to iron them on top of the tree. DIY number 2 is a gift bag sign. I knew when I saw this gift bag in Dollar Tree I could make several different things out of it. Ultimately, I chose the white one, and I used one of these signs from Dollar Tree and removed the tile and simply traced it onto some cardboard as the backing. Once I got everything trimmed to fit inside the frame, I really didn't even have to use any glue. It fit snugly enough that none was needed. DIY number 3 is a thrifted wicker bell. I found 2 of these wicker bells in a thrift store for 50 cents each, and here I'm using some antique white wax just to darken it up a bit. Once I had the color to my liking, I used some white wax and just brushed it on with a brush and then wiped it off with a wet wipe. I used various greenery picks that I had and hot glued those to the top. DIY number 4 is a thrifted miniature piano. I tried my best to match the color of paint that was already on the piano, but I did want to cover up those little birdhouses on the front. So I chose ivory chalk paint and covered the entire thing except for the keyboard in the ivory paint. After giving it 2 coats of paint, I decided to use a few parts of greenery picks that I had to glue to the top. DIY number 5 is a merry little sign. This was a sign I picked up at Dollar General last year around Valentine's Day and already did a DIY to one side of it. So now I'm going to cover the other side with Fern Chalk Paint by Waverly. After 2 coats of the green fern paint, I applied some red letters to spell out the word Mary. These were letters I've had in my scrapbooking stash for several years. And here's a look at everything on my tiered tray in my kitchen. I want to thank the hosts and co-hosts today for the playlist. Please be sure to check out their channels listed in the description box below, and also be sure and check out the playlist. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. What are a few of your favorite things? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.